What's going on, guys? I got mail from Japan today, which means I just got my Zippo in. I've been waiting for this package for quite some time, maybe end of December. Finally came in. That's the downside of ordering international. It's just, especially from Japan, everything just takes so long, but it's all right. Patience is a virtue, and it finally came in. So I do apologize. I'm shooting this through my iPhone 4, so I don't have my tripod set up because I kind of just wanted to get into this. So I apologize for the shakiness and the one hand opening here. I think you guys are gonna like this one because once I finally found it, I fell in love with it. And for those of you who collect Zippos, the Zippo can also be a really good reference. Just regular Zippo box. Nice. This is the Zippo ID card. As you can see, the price up top, it was 6,300 yen. With shipping, it went up to 6,700 yen, which converted to 87 US dollars. It's hard to see with the glare, but let's check this bad boy out. That is so nice. So this is the Zippo identifications by year. And it's also in the back. Man, that's nice. Nice click to it, like all Zippos, of course. That's nice. This took me a while to find, and this was made in 2009. But as soon as I found it, I had to get my hands on it. So like I said, this is also a good Zippo to reference, for authenticity. If you're going to use this, if this is actually something that you would, carry around. I'm definitely not carrying this around. This is going straight to my case. Nice. Let me know what you guys think. Take care.